Okay, Michaela, this is number 4. It's a little bit different. The formula is a little bit different, but it's just finding the numbers and then plugging them into the formula. And so for this one, we're actually going to need 4 different things. So we start off with the 3 numbers. So 4,000, 2.2 inches, and then 7 years. And then another thing that's important here is this word compounded semi-annually. That's going to be important. So you're going to take those 4 things and then write them down on a piece of paper, and then I'll show you how to do it on there. Okay, this is the new formula. So P stands for how much money you started off with. R is the percentage. N is how often that's being compounded is the word that they're using. And then T is time like it normally is. And so again, P for us was 4,000. R was that 2.2%. N is going to be from that word semi-annually, compounded semi-annually. And then T is 7. I'll tell you how to figure out what number that is in just a bit. Okay, so the word semi-annually actually means like every, like twice a year. It's like halfway through the year. That's what semi-annually means. So if it said quarterly, that would be 4. Semi-annually means twice. So 2 for us. Take all of your numbers and plug them in. Oh, I forgot that this needs to be turned into a decimal. So 2.2 divided by 100. Do that in my calculator, and that's going to give me 0.022. So again, take the decimal divided by 100, and that will be your new number. Now we can take 1, 2, 3, these 4 numbers, and plug them into the formula. So we're going to have 4,000, 1 plus our 0.022 divided by 2, and then NT just means you multiply these 2 things together. So 7 times 2, that's to the power of 14. Whoops, sorry, you couldn't see that. So again, this is P, this is R, this is N, and this is N times T. You take this big old formula and you use your Alex calculator. So, and I just type in the whole thing. I don't even worry about trying to simplify anything. So 4,000, 1 plus, 1 plus, a lot of decimals, lots of numbers too, to the power of 14. Click enter, and I get this number. Now this problem says to round your answer to the nearest cent, which I believe means 2 numbers after the decimals, like money. Paste that in there. Get that puppy checked out. Boom. There you go. Again, here's that formula with everything plugged in. I hope that makes sense. Please, if you want to send me like your numbers before you type them in, I can double check them for you too. Just let me know.